Michael here at drawingteachers.com. Let's do the name Marion, and we'll do this in lowercase. So we're going to have a big M, we'll have an A, we'll have an R, an I, an O, and an N. Like that. And I chose this kind of A because it works nicely against that kind of an R. So let's just make a big droopy piece to that there, and we'll come around here and kind of do some cool with the A, with the M like that. The A, I'm just going to use that as an outline to draw our flowing shape. So yeah, that needs a teardrop a little more, I think, and that can fit right into there. Kind of develop this as we go. A little hump on there, a little bulb on there, and this can be a big droop right there. Alright, now that, of course, is going to be pretty easy to work with, but we're going to let this kind of droop down like that, and we'll work the other letters to match. Just keep reworking the letters as much as you need to make them all flow together. Alright, now the O, let's make it sort of egg-like. And see how small that center of the A is? Let's make that O fairly small in the center. Here again, we want this to droop. And then this can be a big drippy piece right there. Kind of catch the same feeling as that M. And really, you should have kind of ball shapes right here in the ends of these. That'll help you. If you need to draw some balls in there, that'll really help. Actually, why don't we do that? We'll draw some ball shapes, and we'll kind of leave that in there. That'll be actually quite excellent. Alright, now for the marker. Start with the M. Looks like I'm not going to have any of these letters overlapping, so I'm going to try to just swoop through them. Alright. Alright, there we have Marion. Let's clean that up with our eraser. See a couple of spots where it's a little rough. I'm going to clean that up. Like right here, it's not as smooth as I'd like it to be, so we're just going to tidy that up, and then we're going to add a little bit of a drop shadow in there to hide our tidying up. It's the beauty of these drop shadows. You can use them to clean up your design. I like that to cut in a little deeper right there. Clean that up a little bit. Use that drop shadow for that. Same thing in here. Use the drop shadow to clean up those pieces. All right, there we go. Looking good. Let's go ahead and put a border around that. Keep this one fairly tight. I want to put a little indent where the drop shadow is. Right like that. Looking pretty. And now a couple of little highlights. Make some small ones on here. Don't want to make them too big on this design because its letters are fairly thin. And with these little rounded bottom pieces, they deserve a little highlight too. And that'll be a fun one to color. So we're going to call that one done.